All right, hello and welcome back to Apollo Tires All About Sports with Manchester United. We are in the semi-finals now with our Manchester United superfans. We have three of our people who qualified from the previous qualifiers, and we have a wildcard entry. So let me welcome back our participants: Nishargo from Kolkata, Akshat from Jaipur, Akash from Kerala, and Anirudh, who's made it back through the wildcard competition that we've been running. And Anirudh has won all the wildcard competitions possible and made it back. So let's go. So our first round for this is the second nationality round. I'm going to give you a player name whose first nationality, of course, will be very obvious to you, but you have to tell me their second nationality. So let's begin. We will start with Nishargo. Your question is, you tell me the second nationality of Patrice Evra.
I can't think of it. Is it Algeria?
You were close. You're in the right continent. It is Senegal, actually. He's got a second Senegalese nationality. All right. I'm going to move on to Akshat now. Your question is, again, second nationality of Peter Schmeichel.
Is it English?
It's not English, actually. His second nationality is Poland. Pretty difficult start to this round. Akash, let's see if you can get yours. So we know this guy's first nationality is Portuguese. What is the second nationality of Nani?
Some African country. Wait. Cape Verde, something like that. Yeah.
Cape Verde is actually correct. Well done. Akash, well done. Great answer. Okay, Anirudh, going to ask you your question. So what is the second nationality of Andreas Pereira?
Is it Belgium?
Belgium is correct. Well done. So that's round one done. We have Akash and Anirudh on 10 points, Nishargo and Akshat, plenty of time to catch up. And we're going to move on to round two, which is the Academy Trivia round. So now these are questions based around the Manchester United Academy. Okay, Nishargo, this is your question. So this player was the captain of Manchester United's reserves, but never made a first-team appearance. But he went on to establish his career and become a legend at Swansea City. Who are we talking about?
Is it Robbie Savage?
Well, it's a good answer, but unfortunately, it is Alan Tate.
Oh.
Alan Tate is the name that I was looking for. A good answer, no problem. Akshat, your question up next. Okay. Yeah. So this former Manchester United Academy player went on to establish himself as a regular Premier League player with Watford. He also played for the Northern Ireland team, but never made a senior appearance for Manchester United. He was a defender for Northern Ireland. He was also one of the many United players sent on loan to Royal Antwerp. Who are we talking about? So Watford and Northern Ireland are the key things here.
Watford reminds me of Tom Cleverley, but he made a lot of appearances for United.
And also defender for Northern Ireland.
Northern Ireland, is it Craig Cathcart?
Yes, that is correct. Craig Cathcart is absolutely correct. Well done. Okay, Akash, we're going to move on to you. So this is another Manchester United Academy player with great potential. He was most recently seen playing for Real Salt Lake. And he has 30 international caps for Italy. What is his name?
Rossi? Is it Rossi?
Giuseppe Rossi is correct. Yes. Superb. Anirudh, your question up next. Okay. So this was a former under-18 player for Manchester United who won the FIFA World Cup. He has a World Cup winners medal with Germany. He was in the under-18 team from 2008 to 2010, but never made a senior appearance for Manchester United.
No, nothing comes to mind. I'm sorry, I passed.
Somehow I remember his name from my time. But his name is Ron Robert Zieler. He was a goalkeeper. All right. So that is the end of round two. We got Nishargo with yet to get off the mark. Akshat with 10, Akash with 20, and Anirudh with 10. We're going to move on to our next round, which is what's common. I'm going to tell you a group of Manchester United players, and you have to tell me what is common between all of these guys. Nishargo, this is your question. And I want you to think leagues over here. Right. What is common between George Best, Tim Howard, Wayne Rooney, Zlatan Ibrahimovic?
The Irish League.
Unfortunately, no. Wayne Rooney has not played in the Irish League, or neither has Zlatan. It's actually all of these players have played in the US, in the top league of the US.
Okay.
Akshat, your question up next.
Yeah.
So all of these players have this achievement for their international teams while playing for Manchester United. Nobby Stiles, Bobby Charlton, John Connolly, and Paul Pogba.
This times Bobby Charlton checks out. Pogba, World Cup winner.
Yep, I'll give that to you. They have been World Cup winners while playing for Manchester United. Well done. Okay, Akash, this is your question. So this is an achievement which only these three players have in the history of the Premier League. These three players are Ryan Giggs, Roy Keane, and Peter Schmeichel. What is the achievement that we're talking about?
No idea. I guess Hall of Fame.
Hall of Fame is incorrect. Actually, they are the only three players in the history of English football to have won 3 league and cup doubles. All 3 with Manchester United. That was 1994, 1996, and 1999. Okay. Anirudh, your question up next. So, both Odion Igalo and ex-Manchester United Manucho went on to achieve this honor with their national team. What honor or what achievement are we talking about? Odion Igalo and Manucho.
Did they win the African Cup of Nations?
I'll give you an opportunity to get a little more specific with that.
They were the top scorers in the African Nations Cup for them.
Okay, I'll give that to you. They won the Golden Boot at the African Cup of Nations. All right, great answer. Okay, that is the end of round 3. Let's have a look at what our scores are looking like right now. So Nishargo 1-0, but don't worry, 2 questions in this round, so you can still do it. And right now, really, really tight at the top. Akshat 20, Akash 20, Anirudh 20. Let's see. So our final round for this quiz is the trivia round. And we're going to have trivia based around iconic moments, goals. We've also added a few questions about the Manchester United women's team. All right. Nishargo, this is your question. In 1991, Manchester United beat which team to lift their one and only UEFA Super Cup?
Barcelona.
The answer is actually Red Star Belgrade, the UEFA Super Cup. The answer is...
I think Cup Winners' Cup, it was Barcelona maybe.
Yeah, that was the Cup Winners' Cup. This is the UEFA Super Cup.
It was in 91 too. Another bad news. Yeah, it's not my day, it seems.
It's okay, don't worry. Akshat, what is your question? This is a question about the Manchester United women's team. Who is the current number 7 for the Manchester United women's team?
I was just reading about it. She was a top scorer. Ellie or Oli.
On the right track.
Ella Toon.
Ella Toon is correct. Well done. That's 10 points for Akshat. Okay. Akash, this is your question. Okay. So in a club match for Greenmount Cricket in 1992, this player had a 236 run partnership with Matthew Hayden. Who are we talking about?
Gary Neville. This is a wild guess.
Okay, Gary Neville is correct. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Okay, Anirudh, your question up next. Okay, so this is about the women's team. Name the Manchester United women's player who plays for the US national side and was selected in the FIFPro Women's World 11 for 2020.
Okay, this is Tobin Heath.
Tobin Heath is correct. Super. Great answer. Okay. Nishargo, your question up next. Also a women's question. So along with her United teammate Tobin Heath, who we just mentioned, and national teammates Megan Rapinoe and Megan Klingenberg, she co-founded a gender-neutral lifestyle brand called Re-Inc. Who is the player that we're talking about?
Is it Amy Turner?
It is actually Kristen Press. Okay. Akshat, your question up next.
Yeah.
All right. So after much success, Sir Matt Busby resigned as the manager in 1969. Following his own recommendations, he was replaced by the then reserve team coach and former United player X. Who is X?
A player that era.
No, he was then reserve team coach and former player.
Can I try?
Yeah, no, I don't know.
Okay, Nisharga, you can tell us the answer.
Jimmy Murphy.
No, it's actually Wilf McGuinness.
No, not Will
Okay,
McGuinness.
Will McGuinness. Okay.
All right. Okay, that is Akshat didn't get that one right. Akash, this is your question.
Yeah.
Okay, so when did the Manchester United women's team get promoted from the Championship to the Women's Super League? The end of which season?
At the end of 2018-19.
Yeah, that's correct. Great answer. Okay, Anirudh, this is your question next. Who was the first player from Asia to sign for Manchester United?
Is it Jason Park?
It isn't actually. It seems like the most obvious one. The answer is Dong Fangzhou in 2004.
No way in hell I would have gotten that.
All right. Okay, let's have a look at what the scores are at the end. And okay, we have Akash with 40, who's right on top. And we have a tiebreaker. Our first tiebreaker of the series, we have Akshat on 30 and Anirudh on 30. Unfortunately, Nisharga slightly out of form this time. Couldn't get off the mark, but no worries at all. Okay, Akash, Anirudh, we're going to get into the tiebreaker. So now the rules of the tiebreaker, guys, is I'm going to ask you all each 4 questions. Okay, you have, not each 4 questions, there's 4 questions, so 2 questions each. You have 10 seconds to answer each one. But here's where it gets tricky. A correct answer gets you 10 points. The wrong answer will give you a -5. All right, cool. So we're going to start with Anirudh first. Okay. Or actually, we'll do it in the order that we've been asking the questions. We'll start with Akshat first. Okay.
Okay.
You get 10 seconds from when I finish answering the question.
Okay.
So in Manchester United, in 2008 rather, Manchester United won the FIFA Club World Cup for the first time by beating which team?
Was it Quito?
Quito is correct. LDU Quito is correct. All right, that is 10 for Akshat. We're going to move to Anirudh now. Okay. Who was the first ever recorded manager for Manchester United, which was then known as Newton Heath?
Is it Jack Robson?
It isn't Jack Robson, so that means you got a -5 here. That's Alfred Harold Albert. Next for you, Akshat, the question is which Manchester United player scored a hat-trick on his Champions League debut, or rather in his debut, which was in a Champions League game?
Pretty straightforward. Wayne Rooney.
Wayne Rooney is correct, and that means, unfortunately, Anirudh, you can't beat him in this one. But well played, Anirudh. Really fought back from complete obscurity to fight back and come in and make it to the tiebreaker for the final. So great effort, Anirudh. Akshat, you have made it through to the final as well, along with Akash. And thank you guys so much for taking part. Okay, and that was the second semi-final of Polo Sports, All About Sports, with the Manchester United. And keep following us. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and please follow Apollo X Sports for some contests where you can win some fun merchandise. And we will see you for the live grand finale with a few special guests from Manchester United. So stay tuned.